Hello, I'm back. My apologies. I did not mean to have a problem with my stream within like a few seconds. Let's quickly getting comfy while everything starts back up. There we go. Actually not. Fuck it. Starting off pantsless stream. No pants. There we go. And now we announce the story because I'm stupid and forgot that my PC is a piece of shit. I'm big dumb. Don't mind me. I'm the biggest stupid. Stream back up. You put my music back on. The voices are getting loud. Which one do I want to say? Battled her. Nice and fucking chill. The stream's starting soon again. Because I'm dumb. I'm a bad streamer, everyone. I also forgot to make my stream public because for some reason it does that. Either way, bonk, save. There we go. There we go. Got it. I suck at streaming. Sorry again. I'm a big dumb. I'm gonna move Nern back up here. The goober. There we go. Goober friend. I'll have him boop my snoot. There we go. But yeah, so we're restarting the stream because I'm stupid. And ODST was unhappy with my PC running for like a whole day. I'm just so impressed when my PC doesn't fucking combust before me. Sorry, breathing weird. Hey, it's Willison. I see Willison hanging out like a goober. Collect the goober. There we go. But yeah, we'll put the game back on screen like probably now because it's kind of a botched start, but it'll be fine. Halo 3 ODST. Let's try that again. But yeah, no, I absolutely fucking love vaporwave music because I've been using that for like my stream music recently. I just love how fucking chill it is. Really makes Floof feel happy. Really brings me back to a time I wasn't even around for. Much as people would think I am from there because I act like I'm older than I actually am. That's right, yeah, I forgot to unshackle my Anubis coin that I have. I have like an Anubis coin and I put it in like a little protective case whenever I leave the house because I keep it on me at all times because it's a little good luck charm of mine. Yes, a coin with my own god on it is considered a good luck charm to me. Oh, look at that, it's not stuttery at all. Yay. Yeah. Uh-huh. Oh. I'm ready. Deploy the furry. Look at that, ads are done just as I deploy. Ow, my ankles. Optican. Aufgeladen. Nein. No. Nice magazine. But yeah. So, yeah, we should be good to play now. Also, I don't think the SMG actually has, like, shell ejection, which means it loads fucking caseless. But I'm not sure what caliber, because Halo, like, they're very not specific about the caliber they actually use. Like, the pistol definitely has casings. Yippee! Yippee! Reloading. Nice magazine. Ow! Fuck off! Fuck you, nerd. Give me that. Ah, much better. Holy shit. Yep. Plasma pistol. I love the plasma pistol. We love the plasma pistol in this house. It's such a good weapon. Did I ever do my view models for this game? So I know I've been changing my view models recently to be, like, out of the way. Let's do pistol. Yeah, it's like this and then down. Melee. Oh, that's right, gravity hammer exists. I know that nothing else matters in this regard. Like, you can dual wield technically, and all the animations do exist, but it doesn't really care. Like, the game couldn't give a flying fuck if you are or aren't dual wielding. Not really sure why. My guess is because you were never meant to be able to dual wield as an ODST, because they lack animations for it. But it's kind of a fun little thing I learned, that if you enable dual wielding on weapons, you can actually allow dual wielding. Actually, that's what I should do. I should put up assembly and we should play in third person, because I fucking love that. I love that idea. I love that idea, though it's mine. It's a rarity. Layka actually likes her own ideas. Yippee. Character development. If assembly launches. Enable the Comic Sans font, because I think it's funny. And... help, map names, ODST. Tiari Plaza, uplift, Mombasa Streets is H100. File, open. Maps. That ain't it. Date modified. ODST, there we go. H100 is... we did it. There's no definitive way to force third person in this game specifically. Like not shy of just going fuck it, every weapon gives you third person. Which is a little annoying, but it's fine. If I just go to the weapons section, I can just change a bunch of weapons that I use. Or change them as they go. That's another one I could do. I also need to change the ODST biped's third person camera. Yeah, I'm smart, I swear. Problem is, I don't know what I am. Who am I? Layka has an identity crisis live. ODST Recon, I think, is what the player is. Unit camera, biped, recon third person. We're gonna make that. Where is mongoose passenger camera? Oak. Yippee. And we're gonna go to the plasma pistol and the brute spiker. I use those a lot. Spike rifle. Plasma pistol, wherever the fuck that is. Where is the plasma pistol? There it is. The Gooba pistol. That's why you also need to remove fires from camera. Fires from camera. Oak. Plasma pistol. This is how we can basically check. No fire at maximum age. Use third person camera. There we go. I don't know what that. No, now I know where to look for it. Work. Loading. This one's a bit too far up, but I don't mind. Yeah, my macro is playing up again, which I think means ODST fucking hates when you modify it. Make everything 30. Ow. Ooh, hello, sexy. That fire rate, though. Ah, damn. Loading. Get fucked. Reloading. But yeah, no, it uses my multiplayer character, so my armor is like pale white, which is cool. And I don't have an emblem on my chest, even though I naturally should, but I don't, which is cool. I know what I'm going for. It's a fine game. I played this game before. That's like a trendy meme, isn't it? Have you liked and subscribed yet? I wonder if there's a better camera for the ODST that I could use instead. There's no way. Hornet passenger? Oh, that's just... Oh my god, that's a weird fucked up helmet cam thing I have going, but like, not very good. Is it the shitty version of the helmet cam thing? It's like, can we have Layka's helmet cam mod? We have the helmet cam mod at home, and then the helmet cam mod at home. Alright, driver. Okay, that's just atrocious. All up passenger. Oh, it's even worse. Yeah, I already checked Hornet passenger. Hornet driver would be shit. Hornet, Mauler gunner. Oh, that's even worse. Wraith gunner? I guess that's worse. Still, default unit camera track. What does this mean? Oh, I see. The game hates that. I'll stop doing that. Mongoose driver camera? Yeah, no. Mongoose passenger is the best one we got. Because the main, like, biped support camera is, like, too far down. And so is the ODST support one, I think. Recon third person. Yeah, see, it's just closer. They didn't do anything else. I don't know why they decided to have it right in my crotch like that, but... fuck if I know. Banshee driver camera, ghost turret camera. Oh, ghost turret camera. Oh, okay, never mind. I guess Mongoose Passenger is the best camera available. That's kind of lame, but it'll do. I don't want to do the tutorial game. You know that, right? It's fucking annoying because, like, it's not going to behave itself now. Bruh. Soft lock at the tutorial because the game hates me. There we go. I started mashing buttons. I hope it would behave itself just enough. Can I play the game now? Like, fuck off. Holy shit. I hate this tutorial with a fiery fucking passion. I get it. Let me play the game, you cunt. Holy fuck. No! Fuck off. Fucking bastard ass game. I'm gonna delete the 2 recordings I was forced to make. Because it's like, the buttons it was asking for were the buttons I used to start and stop recording. That fuck ass message off my screen, game. I ain't listening to you again. Ignis! I cast Fireball. Ow. Why am I so shit at Halo 3 ODST? Loading. Loading. I haven't used the needler, obviously, because I have no use for it at the moment, but if I pick it up, it'll force me to first person, which gives me an excuse to open up the needler's data and make it a third-person weapon too, which is not that hard to do. What we do is just do this and poke. Loading. I'll carry on a needler, it's always nice. I kind of fucked super hard with the needler. Actually, is there an assault rifle here? No, I fucked the needler. Sorry, I remembered there's an assault rifle. Like, actually, I want this thing instead. Which means I need to do the thing again. Yippee. And fuck. Third person Halo goes hard as fuck, actually. Wait. Okay, right. I'm doing the linear version where you're forced to, like, make progress in a specific order. High key feels like a mistake. Shotgun. There's no shot. The shotgun looks nice, but I'll give it a go because I like the shotgun. Shotgun. I kind of like it. Honestly, third-person Halo 3 ODST goes hard as fuck, actually. My macros is kind of breaking the fuck down every time I try and use it. The game doesn't like that I use a macro controller every single fucking time. It gets angry at me. I'm not even sure why at this rate, because it used to work just fine and now it just doesn't. Like, I'm assuming Logitech did something and broke the macros, because they're fucking stupid and don't know how to leave software alone. Yeah, because the macros are great at one point. Now they're starting to like have many issues. Like literally just issues on issues on issues. And the only person I can think to blame is the people who made the software. Because it shouldn't be having this many problems, but it is. It bothers me greatly. Wait, hold up. I have to open up a bunch of maps, aren't I? Map names. Tiari Plaza. Yeah, I had to do this for everything, basically. SC100. That is painful. I don't think third-person Halo 3DC is gonna work, everyone. Unless I can find a way to like force third person at all times, all I do is change one thing. Which I guess I could technically do. Actually, I could. No shot, but I'll try it. So if I change this to Mongoose Passenger, and then I change the fire and disable fires from camera. And I get the Halo toolbox. There's like a software thing I used to use called the Halo Toolkit or something like that. MCC toolbox. Oh no, it can be used to force third person in any Halo title, which is always nice. I was looking for the word tool. Go to all tools. Sorry, I'm just kind of trying to figure out how to do this because I want to play third person in all the Halo titles. These are not my games. There's no shot, but never mind, I found it. MCC toolbox. ODST. Now I should be able to just fuck around with this. So, skip the cutscene. It's okay, time to go tell General Heed that his mod is fucking broken. Yippee. I'm gonna go tell General Heed that his mod's fucking broken. Because, holy shit. We might have to just, like, play through ODST normally at this point. It was just fucking stupid. I'm gonna tell General Heed, though. Heed. I'm live and playing your FF ODST mod. It refuses to jump level to level. It booted me back to main menu twice live. I'm just letting him know. There. we're still gonna do it, but we're just gonna jump between missions, I guess, because we don't have much of another choice for some reason. But yeah, we're still gonna play it. It's just gonna be really annoying, which is, I guess, fine. I'd tolerate it worse. Especially when it comes to broken mods. Like my own Elden Ring mod, it's a fucking mess. It's actually garbage, my mod. Holy shit. But yeah. MCC toolbox. Bonk. Right. I'll probably just create pain for now. There we go. Up MCC toolbox. Reopen all the other stuff. Actually, is there a way for me to fix it via assembly? Could apply the fix for now on my own downloaded version. I'm just asking here if there's a way to like fix it temporarily. Because if there is, then we're gonna do that. I already plan to edit each of them individually anyway by changing the ODST recon behavior. Yeah, so I'm gonna quickly just edit the maps just a touch anyway, so I can play in third person, but then we're gonna just play through the game like an all person, I guess. Okay, let's have a quick look. We need H100. That's, the main Mombasa Street. We need Uplift Reserve Tiari. Tiari is 100. File. Open. Sorry for like kind of taking so long. We've had some technical difficulties. Uplift is 110. Um, 120, 130, 40, 50, and then L2, 3, and that's about it. File, open. Oh. There we go. Almost made that floating window, which I didn't want to do. Oh, and horrifying. I'll open 140 and 50. Sorry, I'm just kind of opening a bunch of stuff to edit. Don't mind me. Need 2, 3, and that's it for the L maps. I'll open L300, and that's everything. All you do is edit the ODST in all of these, and then we should be good. Hopefully, the Halo toolbox will behave itself. If so, that'll be great. We'll be able to play third-person Halo for ODST. I don't know, I have this massive amount of enjoyment for third-person and first-person games. ODST recon. Fires from camera, no. Set this to the Mongoose passenger camera. Save. Cool. Not that's all of them. iPad. So we just tick 2 boxes and that's it. Or untick 1 box and change another drop down, that's it. Use passenger, save. Okay. Okay, I was just doing this on stream because I was meant to do this earlier but didn't. Don't mind me. Just a little silly. Here's itchy. Sorry for the technical difficulties, everyone. I'm just trying to do a thing. Almost done. Oh, this one doesn't have that camera. That's stupid. It's actually kind of frustrating that that doesn't exist here. I could probably try and forcibly add it, but probably not. Okay, I guess we're just not playing ODST today then. It's been temperamental and I can't even fix the thing I'm trying to do anyway, so I guess I'll go fuck myself. Today we're gonna play something else because ODSTs are being annoying and also because I couldn't be fucked trying to do another thing. Who gives a shit? So, now what are we gonna do? So I could do Spartan Ops Lasso. That'd be fun. Wait, that sounds fun, at least. At least a little bit fun. I had ODST planned today. I hate that this fucking has happened twice now. 2 streams in a fucking row where I've been like, I want to do this, and then the game's just been like, no, fuck you. Every single fucking time. This is no winning with this shit. Agitates me greatly. Stupid. Now what do we fucking do? Like, that's actually annoying. Because I had that planned, and now I have nothing to fucking play. Because Borderlands is still being a piece of shit right now. I think. Like, it was when I last tried to launch it. Because I could try Borderlands again, I guess. But I doubt it's gonna fucking work. But there's just nothing else to play. I hate this shit. It's fucking angering. Like, this is so enraging. Because I just want to fucking stream, and then everything just doesn't work. This is so fucking annoying. I actually fucking despise the person responsible for this issue. Like, this issue that keeps occurring of me just having nothing to play. First it was Borderlands and now it's this. There's some fucking unnatural force acting every time I'm trying to play a game. are you fucking playing now? I don't want to play Elden Ring. No one wants to watch me play Elden Ring. No one cares when I play Elden Ring. So there's no point playing that. I guess I could just do it anyway. Who gives a shit? Alright, fuck it. We're playing Elden Ring. I give up. Fuck you. Fuck you, world. Fucking thought you get something from playing stuff today. Get fucked. I'm just playing Elden Ring. I officially give up. This is twice now that this has happened to me. It's always some like arbitrary duration into a stream too. I wish it would happen before the stream so I can learn that like it's not doable. I hate this. It feels unfair. Everyone else is so lucky to have like games to play and people to hang out with, and I'm over here just like playing games by myself and having everything fucking break mid-stream. And being expected to fucking come up with an immediate solution. Dumb as all hell. Let me make sure everything's set up. Yeah, it seemed to be set up. Cool. Is Elden Ring gonna load? It doesn't look like it's loading. It's annoying. I hope it works, cause holy shit. If it doesn't work as well, then I'm just actually gonna have to turn the stream off and do nothing for the rest of the evening. Which will be even more disappointing, to be real with you. Okay, it loaded in the end. Cool. Cool, we have Elden Ring working. We're gonna play that instead. Like, actually fucking angry. Holy shit. Like, this is just dumb. I guess I could make it a just chatting stream and just talk, I guess, but I don't want to. I don't have the personality for that. No one fucking cares anyway. Every time I do a just chatting stream, no one's around, so there's no point. Which is why I don't do them. Everyone's like, oh, Layka, do those. No. Fuck you. Watch my streams more than I'll do them. That's like my actual policy, is I can't do a just chatting stream if no one's watching. So now I just tell people, like, if you want to do a just chatting stream, actually watch my stuff. Oh, let's go to my stupid RTGA like edit. There we go. not streaming Night Rain, because I just don't like Night Rain. That's the other problem. I kind of stream something trendy, because Night Rain is fucking boring. I think I even have a single Elden Ring screenshot I could use right now as a thumbnail. I guess I could get one right now and then turn that into a thumbnail. Yeah, I'll do that. I'll do that in a second. New game. Just occurred to me they all hold their weapon the same way. Except for this fucking goober. I mean, I guess this goober. Anyway. Sorry, I made that character for playing with Seamless Online. Here they go. Actually, this character. I don't know what I was doing with her last, but let's have a look. What's that funny meme thing? Upload a save in progress and sit there trying to figure out what we're trying to do. Is my DS3 loadout? Is that what this was meant to be? I think it was. Yeah, this'll do. Fuck it, we'll play on this account. Really pissed, really angry dog, and that'll be the thumbnail. There we go. I'm not sure what I plan to do for this stream, but hopefully it'll be something interesting. Where did I get this Marika's rune from? Oh right, yeah, because I was just playing the game. Did I beat this dude? No, I didn't. Ow. That hurt. I could try and kill him. What level am I? And what do I have going on with my stats? A whole load or not much? I guess I look cool though. That's a win. But also change the thing. There we go. What is this one? It's like the unique version. I think it is. Yeah, it is. The not so cheaty unique version. +3 crystals of eye. Man, what's my shield? It's just a +10 Black Knight. So I have my +9 Oni Slayer, I guess. It's also fun. Interesting. Anyway. The joyous experience. So we're gonna go fight Big Boy because I think it's fun. I'm into the pain. There's my fire grease. Do I have charcoal pine resin? Doesn't seem like I do. Alright, well, I guess we're fighting this guy without charcoal pine resin. This is gonna suck. Guys are gonna run Mesmer Fire. Minor Elden Broccoli. Oh, he's already doing the projectile thing. Glad you were able to level that tree. There we go. Nice poise nerd. Where'd you get it from? The poise store. Now I'm gonna die. The rot stomp spam is kind of wild though, holy shit. Yeah, I'm dead. Cool. Uh-huh. Rot Stomp Spam! We love Rot Stomp Spam in this house. We love when an NPC only uses one fucking attack. That's like my favorite thing. Is that like really good game design, chat? My non-existent chat. That's fucking empty. I need to stop complaining. This is gonna become a stream of complaints if I keep doing that, which I don't want to do. But yeah, no, I don't think, like, boss fight design-wise, this is an overly good boss, personally. But that's just me. I guess, like, maybe there's someone out there who's like, oh yeah, just get better. But it's like, I guess you could say that, but I wholeheartedly disagree with that being the only solution. Alright. Plus on my core damage types I'm doing. Make things just a touch easier. Okay, how's my damage looking now? 485. I don't know what it was earlier, so I didn't check. Man, nerd. Trying to intimidate him. He does just exclusively spam Rot Stomp though, holy shit. Bonk. Oh, he's pulling out the projectiles. Sweet. We love when that happens. Oh, he's doing it again. Alright. Well, I drank the wrong juice. There we go, that's better. Bonk. Ow. I'm dead. Yeah, I'm definitely just dead. Cool. Shout out to the guy that built this boss. Fuck you. You're a scumbag. Like, holy shit. Considering the only time this boss ever shows up is in an area when, like, it basically is just the worst fucking thing ever. Like, scaling-wise. I'm actually curious. Let me have a look at its scaling, because I'm so fucking curious. That's why I have, like, Smithbox open. NPC for RAM. Where is it? What was it fucking called? Rotten Guardian. I don't think that's it. What was it fucking called again? I literally forgot. The boss is so shit, I forgot its name. Putrid Avatar. Okay. Or whatever. I forgot its name. I legit don't know its name. Because it's just a shit boss. I cannot recall its name to save my life, so give me a quick second to go have a look. I not intend to fight it this time. I'm just gonna have a quick look at its fucking name. Garbagey, shitty, fuck-ass boss. Yeah, no, high key. Fuck the person who made this boss, it's bad. Such an annoying piece of shit enemy. The fuck were you called again? Piece of trash. Ow. Fuck you. What are you called? Putrid Avatar. That is what it's called. Thank you. That's all I need to know. I'm gonna die now. Erdtree Avatar. Putrid Erdtree Avatar. That's what it's called in here, even though it's just called a Putrid Avatar. But okay. But you know, every time this motherfucker shows up in the game, it like actually is the most annoying piece of shit, which is kind of concerning. It should be weaker to more things, personally, but it just ain't. What's its area scaling for the ones like around the area? Like, you don't have an area scaling. But what about you? Tier 10, Mount Gelmir Capital Outskirts. I don't know what this one in particular is, though. Let me figure out the death boss. I know it's a boss. New game plus scaling. Everyone has that. That's Mogwin. That's Haligtree Roots. That's a fail. Which is wild. Tier 19, Haligtree Roots. But that's not the Haligtree Roots, that's Snowfield. Now this one is Mogwin Palace, even though it's not in Mogwin Palace, it's further down. It's further somewhere else, basically. And the first one you encounter doesn't have any area scaling at all. But the one after it, which is the one I'm at, which is scaling Tier 10, Mount Gelmir, Capital Outskirts, Nokron City, is what its scaling is. Not Caelid. It's not using Caelid scaling. It's using fucking Mount Gelmir scaling. Not sure why. Which is way more max health, way more defense, everything like that. It's ridiculous. It's like actually frustrating that they even did this. They intentionally made this motherfucker way stronger than he actually needed to be. That's wild. I wonder if that was intentional or if that was an accident. Like, I'm curious, because if I find the location of every single one of these Erdtree avatars, I bet they are nowhere near their area scaling. I guess I could check the fucking gargoyle, like the black gargoyle outside of Goronk's place. What was it fucking called? Actually, yeah, because Valiant Gargs is one of the bosses, but no, it's not what I'm thinking of. I need to go piss off another boss to see what his name is. Give me a second. And I'm only doing this because I'm super duper duper curious. Also, I've noticed that my Discord over there isn't showing up on my Twitch. Why? Eh, fuck it, who gives a shit? So, we're gonna go over to here now. You. What the fuck, what is your name? Give me up. Yeah, get angry at me. Black Blade Kindred. Thanks, bro. Okay, we're gonna look at Black Blade Kindred now. Yeah, Black Blade Kindred. There we go, we found them. So we have scaling Mount Gelmir, which is this motherfucker over here. The fact that the one in... Wait, Southeast Caelid. YouTube. But yeah, no, the one outside of Goronk's is also, from the look of it, Mount Gelmir scaling. I'm not sure why they picked Mount Gelmir scaling for that, but I really am not certain. Like, I might be stupid. Like, maybe Mount Gelmir scaling for this area is normal, but it's only, like, I don't know, it just doesn't seem correct to me. I might be dumb though. Like, But there's this area, Brace of the Halley Tree, and that's like where the scaling is for that. Like there's an enemy right here, at Brace, of the Halley Tree, and it's also a rotten enemy. But there's also one over near like down here, I think, actually, yeah. You got Liturgical, and you have like down here. There's like another rotten one over here somewhere. I can't remember where the fuck he is, but he's over here somewhere, and this motherfucker down here, he is also using the scaling from in here, Halley Tree Roots, which is I think this place. So I'm not really sure. Maybe this is Halley Tree Roots scaling. I'm learning more about Elden Ring scaling as I play. And I've been playing this game for ages, so holy fuck. Give me a second, I'm actually going to change this title because it sounded depressed. It was depressed when I typed it, but yeah. Learning stuff while I mod Elden Ring. Oh, I am one. There we go. That's a bit happier. Makes me sound less like I crave death. Because I don't crave death, I'm just frustrated. There we go. But yeah, no, I'm just kind of hanging out. That's why I forgot I changed my little stream watermark to video watermark on YouTube to a Windows 7 logo because I thought it was funny. But yeah. I breathed in weird. Don't mind me. Ow. But yeah, so Blackbeak, this motherfucker is using Mount Gelmir scaling, which is confusing because we're not in Mount Gelmir. We are nowhere near there. But I assume that's like there's also Nokron scaling, which means I'm meant to be fighting these motherfuckers after I've defeated Radahn, is what that means, or at least that's what it should mean. But even when I've defeated Radahn, they still suck ass to fight, so I'm not really sure what I'm expected to do there. I never lit this bonfire, which means I have not been to Faroth yet. So let's go there. That's right, I was fighting this piece of shit here, and I started playing Elden Ring golf with my own dead body. That was the stream. I remember now. I recall what I was up to. I recall what past Layka was doing. Yeah, it took me long enough. Holy shit. Then I don't play Elden Ring on stream very often anymore, so it'd be nice to come back to this. I'm still yet to do my left arm only run, because I want to do that sometime. But now that I mentioned it, I feel like it's going to happen where it's like, I'll be in the middle of it, and then someone else is going to come and do it. Someone who's like better than me at Elden Ring. I'm going to take all the credit. Or like my hard work is going to be invalidated because like, oh, Scumnut did it. It's like, well, yeah, but he also makes money from streaming. So he actually has a reason to stream like 12 to 24 hours. Motherfucker gets like heaps of cash thrown at him. Holy shit. And he actually gets sponsored. That's another one. I don't have sponsorships. I could probably reach out, but I don't think anyone would like care to throw any money at me as a sponsorship because I'm a teeny tiny creator. Ow. That felt weird. Yeah, we're gonna do this because it's gonna be funny. Do I have festive grease? I should. Last I checked, I had everything. Yeah, festive grease. Hell yeah, brother. Apply that festive grease. The stinky, stinky festive grease. Then we're gonna... You're gonna eat these. I'm gonna quickly organize my stuff. What do I want to use? This one because it's cool. And I really don't know what else I would use. I guess this one, because it's basically just TOD from DS3, but shittier. Shittier TOD. I wish TOD still existed. TOD was so fucking good. It literally just went nope when you died. That's literally its entire purpose. That's why I like TOD so much. Why I was a partial faith build despite me being mostly int and strength dex based. What are my attributes? Man, my luck is the lowest, so I'm getting the least out of my bleed procs at the moment. Holy shit. I probably should be going into Frost, then resetting the Frost with Firebomb. Actually, that's a fucking good idea. I'll do that in a second once I proc bleed at least once, because I'm pretty close to bleed at this point, I think. Let me check. Actually, I'll put this over here. I don't need that much on my screen. Or is this? Yeah, maybe it's not detecting this one because I didn't have targeted them. Which I guess makes sense. Hitboxes. Oh yeah. The hitboxes. I can still wield my weapons even without stat requirements. Holy shit. I'm just stupid. I forgot to do my photo tools. Elden Ring camera. Watch this break my game. There we go. We did it, chat. There we go. Now I get the flying cam. But yeah, we're going to go to Frost instead, and we're going to equip a Firebomb because I know I have one. Or at least I should. I don't. Okay. I'll craft one then. I can't do that either. Oh, I don't have any pots, that's why. I was gonna grab a rope firebot and just like kind of chuck that down to reset the frostbite. I guess I can just throw a fucking hefty firepot, I guess, because it's no DS3 item, but it'll do. Or I can get a firepot, actually. I might come back and get a firepot. They're not that far along anyway. I'll move that too. But yeah, no, we're going to... Rested bonfire. No, that's right, yeah, seamless co-op items. This character's kind of fucked because seamless co-op items. Because seamless co-op fails to check if it's already giving me the items. Inventory. I'm actually very curious if I can discard the seamless co-op items. Actually, that might be the solution. Give me a second. Hold up. There's no shot. I think I figured out the issue. Because I have like a full box of seamless items, it's just like never ever counting me as picking them up, but it's going, oh, your inventory is full of seamless items. That's probably the issue. Give me a second to check. Because I know some of these items. Oh, what's this? Alright, this is a random ruined fragment in my inventory. Discardable items. Discard selected number. I'll keep that. Key items. Things that are actual items, I guess. Yeah, I'm just deleting shit now. Give me a second, sorry. Anything that is unnecessary, essentially. I will say, it's kind of cool to see the missing cookbooks and what they were meant to do. Some of them don't have information, but some of them do. There we go. I do have a cracked pot in my inventory. So what's the cracked pot item I'm using it on at the moment? Is it Eternal Sleep, or do I just not have one? Oh, I think I know what it is. It's that roped freezing pot. Yeah, I thought so. So if I discard this, yeah, and I can craft one. Ah, there we go. Nice. I don't have the means to craft a fire pod, do I? Yikes. Well, that's kind of fucked. We gotta do something though. I can create a rope pot. I just need smoldering butterflies, which is pretty easy. They're kind of around. Permanent lantern toggle. Oh, that's not doing anything. But yeah, no. I'm going to quickly go through and look for any of the seamless items. See if they are hiding somewhere. I wonder if it's because my inventory might be full. I know that could be that can actually be an effect. Like, if your inventory is full, the game doesn't know what else to give you, so it just goes, "Fuck it, you can't have everything." Which I would not be at all surprised if that was the case. Actually, sort chest. Give me a second. Wait, I could just chest. Hold up. Equip. Inventory data. Inventory type. Chest, yes. Quantity, 0. I'm basically just emptying my chest too, so it doesn't refill my inventory. I know that's bad, technically, but fuck it. Yeah, there's a lot in here. Give me a quick second. I'm emptying my chest because... Yeah, there we go, got it. there's like 200 plus things, so it's like 100 of the item, and it's like, I don't think I should be doing that. Sorry for taking so long. I need to fix my shit. There we go. Got it. Will it work now? Okay, that's every single seamless co-op item. Now, if I sit down again... We fixed it! Let's go! You know, I was blaming Seamless when really my inventory was full. But I feel like it should still account for that and be like, look, man, we can't give you everything, so we're not going to give you anything at all. So you fix your inventory. I'm not going to straight up give shit to Seamless for that reason, because it is partly on me. Well, entirely on me. But, still. Wait. Rip freezing pot. No, give me a second. I just realized, I just had a revelation. That roped freezing pot had a projectile. No shot. Give me a second. Text editor. Text search. Freezing pot. Search. Yeah, it's roped freezing pot. Item 480. Which means I need to go to the item give again. I want to give myself roped freezing pot because I'm so fucking curious now. But I had like such an interesting thought just then. If it has no projectile, can't I just give it a projectile? Isn't that literally what I can do? So I saw it had a hitbox, which means this hitbox is fucking invisible. Floof might be smart. Holy shit. All you need to really do is change this projectile type to the same as a freezing pot, and that's it. Wait a second, oh my god. I might be smart. Oh no. Give me a second, I might be smart. Item, gib. Details. It's fun, I'm having fun just like learning how to mod again. Well, not again, but I'm learning how to mod, which is good enough for me. There we go. And robbed freezing pot. So, this be an item. That roped freezing pot. Yeah, we are seeing a like an effect here essentially. Yeah, so if we add a projectile effect and everything. Oh my god, I might be smart. Give me a second. Bullet, bullet. Freezing pot. Roped. Yeah, we had the roped freezing pot. But it doesn't have a projectile effect, which means we just need to grab the freezing pot projectile effect and add that to this one. And that includes the hit effect. And then we reload the param. And then we just... Oh my god! We are reviving a cut item! That's cool! We're doing it, we're gonna revive a cut item. That's actually cool. This brings me joy. Like, that I can do this. I love reviving cut items. It's like one of my favorite things to do. So... that's today's stream. We're reviving the roped freezing pot and we're going to turn it into a usable, tangible, craftable fucking item. And yeah, it's going to be fucking cool. I've already had this one cost a freezing pot and a rope just to make it easier, I guess. Because usually the roped items is like, oh yeah, the same ingredients, but this. But it's like, I think easier for my brain. I'm going to just make it into a... Actually, I might be able to just make it, copy the freezing pot and add a rope to the list of craft requirements and add it to the same list of things added by the... Oh my god, actually, holy shit, give me a second. No way. I need to do this. This is cool. Yeah, so we have roped freezing pot now. And we're gonna go to the item in the param goods. Freezing pot. Roped freezing pot. Cool. Compare to this one. Usage VFX. Because usage VFX don't exist either, sorry. Oh yeah, reload param. Okay, it's not really working. I guess it's because like rope variants don't have a usage requirement like that. But that's kind of cool that I managed to do it. I've revived part of it. Reference ID, rope freezing pot, yeah. AI usage judgment. I'll just give it the same as other freezing pots. Give me a second. Roped. Yeah. That's the AI usage judgment. It doesn't have one for this. Wait. Hold up. Comparison. Toggle vanilla params. I grab this one. Whatever this, just temporarily. Okay, there is meant to be an effect, basically. It's just not showing up. I guess if I just made this -1 real quick. Okay. Yeah, okay, so we do have to take the pot from the freezing pot. We are reviving an item. And this is like the intended usage of the item too. That's the best part. Like, I've actually almost perfectly remade this item so far. Like, it's obviously not counting me making a fresh new model and fresh new effects and all the other fun stuff. Like, this is the closest you can get to a default intended use rope freezing pot. Wait, I mean, if I use fire grease, yeah, if I use like a charcoal pine bundle. Actually, I have charcoal pine resin. Yeah, maybe that charcoal pine resin real quick. So we hit him with that charcoal pine resin, and then we freezing pot again. Oh no. That's so good. That's fucking cool. That brings me joy that I just managed to revive an item, and it works really fucking well. I have revived this unused item. That's fucking cool. Yay! This is so cool. That's fucking awesome. Like, I know it's just probably not anything big to other people, but I think that's fucking cool. More int. Strength. More int. Dex. Yeah. There we go. And the damage output of this thing is pretty gnarly too, so we'll make use of it, because that's actually really cool. That's fucking awesome. Sorry for like the seemingly overhypedness of my demeanor, but the fact that I can do this is really happy like makes me really happy. This is cool. I'm probably gonna use this in a fight to see how it goes. If I can get this to actually work in a fight, that'll be even better. Because I've always liked the idea of actually making use of like a lot of different items in the game. I don't know if that's like stupid of me, but I find great joy in making use of the most obscure shit. Aw, I wanted to like plummet into the abyss. Close enough. I'm probably gonna fall to my death if I keep this up. Kaled. That looks cool. That looks fucking cool, actually. That was unintentionally like the best aura farming screenshot I could have gotten. I'm dead. God damn it. But yeah, that's cool. That brings me joy. Floof revived unused item. Everyone be proud of her. I could probably use it in this area. I'm not sure how, but I could. Nah, it didn't work. I didn't make good use of it, I don't think. I think I did frostbite someone, but that... Oh, I can't use it on the ladder. I have been poisoned. Fuck. Do I have any anti-poison stuff? Oh, I do. I'll nummy numb on that in a second. I'm actually curious, is there a animation for using a rope pot on a ladder? Let's see if we can revive a bunch of unused features. That's gonna be like my mod now. Is consumed, blah blah blah, bonfire warp item, usable multiplayer. You enable on ladder. No. Yeah, no, there's no animation for it on the ladder. There's an animation for this and an animation for the physic though, which is nice. If I chug this down real quick, yeah, see. There's animation for those, there's just not one for the pot, it seems. I could probably find what weapons and items were meant to be used on like horseback and all that and try and enable them again. That'd be really fun too. Speaking of which, oh, right, I forgot to tick a box. Torrent anywhere. We are. Hey, torrent anywhere. There we go. Yeah, I can use rope pot on horse, which is cool. Let me open my world to seamless so I can use all the multiplayer items. So I know multiplayer items can't normally be used on horseback. I know that much, but I think you can under most circumstances because of the animations. Yeah, see? I use like tarnished felt finger. which I think is fucking cool, that these were meant to be usable on horseback at some point. There's like actually unused animations for them. Like the effigy one, both near and far. Yeah, see? Isn't that fucking cool? There's like actually unused animations for this. And I'm not really certain as to why, but it is really fucking cool. Tortoise tongue. We're in invaders. Yup. Yeah, like there's that one. There's also the one to send people home. No player to send back. But if there was a player to send back, I could swish that and it would actually play the animation, which is kind of cool. But it's really neat. I learned this like not that long ago. Like even the tarnished wizened finger, should be able to write a message on horseback. I can't remember if that's exactly how it works, but let's say if only I had a thing. In short, concept. Yeah, Ophir. With Legion etiquette. Yeah, see? I just placed a message down while on my horse. Which I think is kind of cool. That you can even do this. That's right, yeah, my armor appears as like my old fit from back in the days of yore. So back in my early days of Elden Ring, before I started modding, I used to run the Malekith gauntlets, Malekith greaves, and the Zamor armor. But since then, I have like obviously updated a bunch of things. And this is actually what Layka's armor used to look like as well in my mod, before I could like, you know, get custom models or really cool shit. So it actually appears as my old gear, and even uses the images of my old gear minus the gloves, because there actually is an item close enough to the follower gloves icon in game. So I used that one instead, naturally. But yeah, no, it's just kind of a neat little fun fact. Or not the most interesting fun fact, but it's a fun fact nonetheless. God damn it. I want to chuck my pot off of a really high place and see Dagooba go on an adventure. Oh, it has a lifespan. M. There we go. I've got M as my like map key now. Because a lot of games use M as the map key, except for this one. And I didn't want it to keep being G, so I was like, fuck it, I'll make it M. This looks so good. God damn. But yeah, so I like how it looks like I'm actually running TOD as well. Like, I love that. That's so cool. Like glowing through my shield like that looks fucking dope. That looks awesome. I didn't actually know it glowed through my shield like that. It's probably like one of the most dominant effects in the game. I'm not sure, but it looks like one of the more dominant effects that like has this desire to be always on top of everything else. Oh shit. Oh shit. I'm probably gonna die. Actually, do I have my death counter? There's my death counter thing. Yeah, save file. All files. There it is. Okay. Watchdog Layka. Alright, yeah, my death counter has been moved again. Because I've updated my stuff constantly, and it's got to a point where my death counter needs to be moved once more. So give me a hot minute to do that. It feels like my OBS layout's bigger. Did the application scaling change? It looks like it's changed. Deaths. Unlock that. Yeah. It's underneath unregistered hypercam too. Put it next to it instead. I hate watermarks. There we go. But yeah, no, I think OBS changed the scale of like its UI. Because it's bigger. Oh, they added an option to adjust the scaling. That's dope. Classish. Oh, yes. Okay, I fucked super hard with this update. Thanks, OBS. Yummy. Classish. There we go. Yeah, we fixed it. That's cool. I love that. They actually added a proper option for like changing the OBS's like design and everything and layout in like a way that actually feels really nice. Also, I'm not sure if like it's the game capture lagging, my stream capture lagging, or something else. It looks like the game capture is lagging, but I can't tell. What if I just limit its frame rate to 30? That's actually a cool idea. Give me a second. Limit frame rate. Enable transparency. No. Filter. Oh, I can make it look pretty. Give me a second. What's this one? Oh, oh no, that looks awful. Let's delete that. HDR tone mapping. Interesting. What changes? I see no change. Delete that then. So I'm fucking with my games like stuff now. Hey, Ayla, hope you're having a lovely day. We are learning stuff about Elden Ring modding because I like doing that for some reason. Retro effects. Don't worry, that's me causing that lag. Don't worry, that's not your computer. That's just me. CRT. Oh, that looks ugly as fuck. Let's not do that one. NTSC. Actually. Hold up. Retro codec. That's cool. Bloom. VHS. Pixel Elden Ring? Yeah, Minecraft Elden Ring. Athode. Analog glitch. That's cool. Posterize. Oh no. Interlace. Dramatic aberration. Oh my god, I love CA. We're gonna use that one. And we're also gonna do this effect. Duplicate. Yeah. Actually, yeah, we're gonna do this one and another filter. Give me a second. Retro effects. Matrix Rain. Oh, it looks awful. It looks dumb as fuck. This one. A old-looking Elden Ring. Rain skip. we go. Look at that. That looks cool. Thoughts on that? That actually looks kind of neat, right? Well, we will leave it like this. It looks cool. I probably won't fuck with the frame rate like that, though. I'll turn that off, because holy shit, that's probably gonna mess everything up. There we go. Close. Anyway, so, we have been learning stuff about Elden Ring modding today. And one of the things I discovered was this item, this cut item. Called the roped freezing pot. As you can see, it's not usable anymore. I don't know what this moonspeak says, but we're gonna translate it real quick. Just because I'm very fucking curious. This appears on like most unused items. Magic stone icon test is what that says, which obviously is just an unused icon. Craftable with cracked pot. Frost has been sealed inside. Short rope aids throwing. Aids throwing is attached. Thrown at rearward enemies using the rope, the pot explodes, causing frostbite buildup at enemies. And this is the item. This is essentially the freezing pot. The existent item, the freezing pot, but in the form of a roped variant. The freezing pot as an item is this thing. I don't have the container required to make this, because this requires a ritual pot. But if I had a ritual pot, I'd be able to craft one. And what you do is you throw it forward to create frost buildup. But this one you throw behind you. Those visual effects were stolen from the throw forward one, for context there. But I have revived this. Can it freeze enemies to slow down during combat? No. So frostbite in this game is a bit different. How frostbite works is it increases your physical damage taken. That's basically all it does. And also it does stun you if it does apply. So if I apply frost on someone, most enemies will be stunned or staggered by the frost buildup. Not every enemy will have this happen, obviously, but a lot of them will. Obviously, there's some enemies that are completely immune to frostbite, like skeletons and other things like that that don't have fish. But, yeah. Frost buildup is kind of interesting, and it's actually one of my bread and butter damage types from like when I play Elden Ring. Right now I'm currently running my Dark Souls 3 kit, so I don't have my Frostbite, because the Frostbite was not an available affinity to add to a Zweihander back in the days of yore. It's fucking lit. But yes, that's that. Sorry, I just wanted to throw a Frostbite at her. But I guess I can demonstrate Frostbite build-up on one of these guys, but I'm probably going to get my ass beat. But yeah, see how he got staggered by the Frostbite? And he's taking a bit more physical damage. But that's literally all frost pots do. Yeah, it's super useful. But the drawstring one deploys just a touch faster than the standard thrown one. Like, this is how they're meant to work. Drawstring ones deploy faster, but can only be thrown behind you. So if you want to throw it at your enemy, who's in front of you, you have to actually turn your back against your enemy, which is not a good idea in most cases. You'll probably get your ass beat. But that's how that works. But yeah, the general idea of frost pots is that, and it's really cool. I actually like frostbite personally, one of my favorite damage types, because if you put it on a Zweihander, which has pretty solid physical damage, you do magic damage, physical damage, and frost buildup, and the frost buildup raises your magic damage, or your physical damage, not your magic damage. But if you really want to go a bit further, technically frostbite should be raising all damage type, because everything hurts more when you're really, really cold. Also, look, it's my partner. It's him being a goober. But yeah, so that's that. That's the general gist of like what I've been doing with this. I learned about it. I realized it exists in my inventory, and I was fucking around with it and realized I had hitboxes and stuff, like a bunch of hitbox data, which means it's a usable, tangible item that has its own projectile data, and that projectile data has its own, you know, collision explosion data. And I was like, oh, that means I can restore this back to its former glory. Hell, I could have restored it anyway by just grabbing any sort of pot item, copying a bunch of the information from the regular pot, regular frost pot, and turning it into a, you know, back thrown frost pot. Pretty easy to do. But yeah. There's like a neat thing I learned. I also was learning about how certain multiplayer items can actually be used on horseback, even though they're not normally meant to be usable on horseback. Which means the horse was actually meant to be usable in multiplayer at some point in time, probably. There's a likely fucking chance it was meant to be usable and it was just kind of canned at the last minute. Because there's a bunch of like horseback animations for multiplayer items, like sending players home and stuff, which I think is kind of neat. Shouldn't be doable, but it is. Fuck Mr. Hat Man. But yeah, no. That's kind of just been what I've been up to for the rest of the stream. I was meant to be streaming Halo 3 ODST, but for some reason, the mod I was going to play with is broken, and I couldn't continue streaming because it was pissing me off. That was the only reason. I was just getting really annoyed, so I was like, fuck it, I'll just play Elden Ring instead. Yeah, that, the reason why Epono's in this game, is, for me specifically, is because of a, like, modder I know who I basically paid to add Epono to the game. Yep. Right now. Ow, dickhead. Someone just smacked me. What an asshole. There's also a thing over here I wanted to go grab. He whiffed that swing so hard, holy shit. Hello there. Bonk. There are so many dudes behind me, holy shit. I should also plan to have it so Epono can get statuses. So I thought that was kind of a neat idea. But I was like, this is actually be really fucking annoying for some people. I would not be surprised if that would actually piss someone off. Imagine you're trying to ride Epono through like the through the swamp, and then suddenly she has Scarlet Rot, and then she dies, and you're kind of stuck there. That sounds annoying. So I decided against it. Bro, I whiffed all those arrows, holy shit. So I have like the funny arrows that I use. There they are. Also plan to restore the golem great arrows because there's golem great arrows here, magic ones specifically, and they have an explosion. So you'd think they're meant to have an explosion, but they actually don't have an explosion. If I turn on the hitbox data, you can see they in fact do not have an explosion, but these ones do have an explosion. So why is that? Fuck if I know, but the developers thought it was a good idea. But yeah, no. So that's another piece of cut content I plan to restore, is the explosion belonging to the magic golem great arrows. Ow! Yeah, this is the Oni Slayer Great Bow from Dark Souls 3. Which I don't think I have the stats to wield. No, I do not. Which is why it's doing so little damage. Fun fact, this is the standard model for Layka's bow in her lore. This is actually basically what bow Layka uses. It's a big fucking long boy bow. I don't think I'm going to be able to fight this guy that's spending way too much time here, so I guess I could try fighting him like a normal person, which I don't want to do because he's annoying as all hell. What are you weak to, sir? You are weak as all hell to poison. Give me a second. Ow. Bonk. Nice poise, nerd. Where did you get it from? The poise store? Get fucked! That was an actual practical usage of the freezing roped pot. We did it! We made use of a cut content item and actually did it properly. That was fucking funny. He was like in the middle of some big fucking wind up. I was like, nah. Get potted upon, nerd. I'm not sure what the build-up of this thing is, but it seems pretty fucking good so far. Like, sure, I'm an int build, so there's a good chance that might be benefiting it a touch, but we can have a look at its, like, data. Under the projectile data, we can compare it to the standard freezing pod. Compare to rope freezing pod. Let's have a quick look. Wait, no, the damage of it for the attack. Give me a second. Rope freezing pod. Jump to what I've selected. And I'll compare this to... Give me a second. Freezing hot. Compare this to roped. Let's have a look at the build-ups. So, from the look of it, I'm not seeing a build-up because I'm stupid. Give me a second. So, the standard freezing pot has 119 damage and a poise damage of 3. The roped freezing pot has 145 with a damage of 10 But I'm not seeing build-ups like affinities, so I need to try and find out where that is. But yeah. Because it's like frostbite buildup, so I need to just basically find out what its frost buildup is. Unless it's the same, which is why I'm not seeing a difference. Just look up frost. Oh, I'm not seeing it. I might be silly because I'm not seeing the frost buildup anywhere. Bullets. Let's have a quick look under bullet again. SP effect param. There it is. Road freezing pot. Item. And then we just look at freezing pot, compare. And we look for that frost buildup and see what the difference is, if there is one. Nope, there is no difference. It is 380. Good lord! That is its Ox inflict for frostbite. What the fuck? That's a lot. That's like an abnormal amount of frostbite buildup. Like, that's better than my Zweihander. And this one's fast to deploy, which is probably why it was like removed. Because this is fucking broken. Because like the fact that it has more frost buildup than a fucking ultra great sword is actually goofy. That's an ultra great sword at plus 10, by the way. I am thinking of like plus 10, plus 25. An ultra great at that level should be not being outclassed by a fucking pot with some rope, but it is, which is really funny. So yeah, we have revived a cut item, and we have learnt why it was cut. Thank you for petting me. But yeah, that's today's discovery. We revived a cut item and learnt a valuable fucking lesson as to why it was cut from the game. And Millicent is slowly killing herself off the Scarlet Rot Geysers because she is fucking stupid. Hey Millicent, do you want to die? Yeah, keep walking through the fucking geyser, you stupid bitch. Oh my god. Oh. Fuck. Ah, I ran right into that. Nah, she's meant to emulate a player, it's fine. Ah, I want to kill it with the frost pot. Bonk. Oh no, she ain't dead yet. Dumbass. But yeah, no. That's probably one of my favorite aspects of like... Oh yeah, by the way, if you're curious how I didn't die, I have a crystal tier called the Crimson Bubble tier. This restores HP when near death. Basically, it's a Uno reverse card when someone's about to kill you. It's the biggest piece of dog shit, because you can actually infuriate people when you use it, which is why I use it. But yeah, no, that's the fun thing with like my setup right now, is I'm just annoying as all hell. And you know what? I'm proud of myself for being annoying as all hell. Proud of you. But yeah, I think genuinely out of all the things I've done recently when it comes to my modding stuff, I think this is probably the thing that's one of my proudest moments right now, is reviving this unused item. Especially when it comes to like recent achievements, because shut up. If you keep talking, I'll throw a frostpot at you, and we both don't want to know where that goes. So yeah, I was going through the item, basically. Like, if I quickly go back over to the freezing pot, under the, like, item param, I actually just did, I'll bring up my screen so you all can see it, like my thing. So, I was going through the bullets after equipping the roped freezing pot, and I noticed it actually had bullet data, but this was the bullet, the projectile it was asking for. But this no longer exists. That effect isn't real. And nor is this one. Both of these are missing, and this led to the pot having no visible effects when being used. And that includes under here, it actually called upon a different effect in hand, which was meant to be the pot in your hand being thrown behind you. But I had to basically yoink the effect from the regular freezing pot to basically recreate what this item should have been really early on. So it's just like some kind of fucked up, like, Frankenstein recreation of, like, the original item, which led to this. The only reason I found out that it was meant to have a projectile is because when I was trying to use the cut item in my inventory, I noticed it had a hitbox, which is what those yellow things are. These basically tell the thing that it's doing damage somehow, which I think is kind of cool. So yeah, that's how I learned that. So I decided to revive the item. And another fun one is I discovered, like, unused stuff for, like, basically playing online while also using your horse. So, for example, if you make it so you can use this item on horseback, it'll say no player to send back, but if there was someone to send back, it would actually let me swipe it and send it back, even though you can't normally use your horse in multiplayer. Which means that this cut item, or this cut effect, was essentially, cut animation, was meant to only be used when playing online with other people. Which is using that item on horseback. And not every item has a horseback animation, which is why it's like, you can't go, oh, what if every item did have a horseback animation? That is just not the case. Because items that were never intended to be used on horseback just lack an animation for it. But it's just kind of funny that I learned this randomly. So yeah, I have discovered a bunch of random unused animation things, which I'm quite fond of. So I'm going to try and restore a bunch of them. That's all there really is to it. Like, I don't know, I'm kind of proud of myself for this. What's the dog doing? So we've gone through Caelid a bit. We're probably gonna go fight. Well, yeah, you're meant to, but there are some weapons that just can't be used on horseback that seemingly lack any sort of animation. Like, they lack any sort of animation for being, like, drawn and fired. For example, like, you have your hand ballistas, which are giant crossbows, and your great bows, which just can't be used on horseback. Like, at all. They lack a draw and fire animation. So instead, you just swing the weapon, and that's about it. That is literally just how these work. There's never been an animation for them that was cut. It was just never in development. The idea of firing these giant fuck-off weapons on your horse was just never a thought that they gave at all. As you can see, all I can do is just kind of really fucking... yeah, basically. There is my bow, which is technically a great bow, which can be used on horseback. And the only reason why it can be used on horseback is because I made it usable on horseback. That is the only reason. If that makes any sense. Like, I had to do this myself. Enjoy lurking. But yeah. Like, for example, if I want to, like, really have it this guy with a giant fucking great bow, I can in fact do that with my bow. As you can see here. That's just to demonstrate. I want to use a regular arrow instead of like a giant fucking scary explodey arrow of death. But you can see how overpowered that would actually be. The fact that I'm able to knock them the fuck over with this kind of, I think, speaks volumes on why it was never allowed to begin with. Like, it trivializes combat if you can use a great bow on a horse. Even if you did slow down the animation for it, like, it's just too much. But yeah, it's why I'm okay with, like, my bow not being a great bow anymore. Because it is a great bow currently, but it feels a bit... Yeah, no, like, it's a Souls game. It's not meant to be... It's not meant to be Warframe levels of power fantasy, you know what I mean? It's meant to be a Souls game. It's meant to be challenging. So even I'm planning on actually removing this aspect from my bow, its ability to be a great bow. That, or making it really, really, really annoying to use in some aspect. I'm not really sure what yet. But I plan to nerf my own bow, because Layka's glare is literally too fucking strong right now. Like, it is meant to be, like, the canon recreation of Layka's actual great bow, which she can draw with ease, and it is, you know, made to fire a long distance on purpose. And it does fire great arrows in her lore, but I do not think it should be like that in-game, because holy fuck is it too strong. Especially when you are packing straight fucking great arrows. Like, it's just stupid. Well, actually, funnily enough, because of how Layka is in her lore, she can just draw a great bow like it's a regular bow. She is extremely fucking strong in her lore. That's not a joke. She wields a great bow as if it's like a regular longbow. It's really funny. So she is in fact just that fucking strong. Which is funny because despite her stature, you'd think she'd be like way, way weaker based on her stature. It's like, no, she just is super duper strong, which is really funny. There is a lore reason behind it, but yeah. We are gonna now try and make this great arrow better. So we're going to recreate the effect that is intended for these arrows. So see how there's an explosion? Like when I fire it? I'm so confident that the explosion does no damage that I'll fire it next to Santa Claus. Nothing happens. And the reason why is because the stupid bastard developers did not make this thing work in its entirety. Like, it just isn't working the way it is usually meant to. I'm gonna quickly put everyone up here too. There we go. Bonk. There we go. Problem solved. But yeah. But there is a bow. There's an arrow that does have an explosion, which is this one. And you see it actually has a hitbox for said explosion. Which means if I fired it next to Santa Claus, I'd probably piss him off. So we're going to recreate that explosion for the other arrow. Or we're going to convert it into an enemy item. But the enemy item thing is physically impossible because sometimes it's loaded in, sometimes it's not, and it leads to the game just going, fuck it, we're not going to load this in. Like in the DLC, in certain areas, it just won't load in, which leads to invisible projectiles, which I'm just not happy with. So instead we're going to do things the funny way, called giving it an explosion like it's meant to have. Yeah, if I find like the Golem's great arrow. Yeah, there's like a hit bullet ID for the Golem Great Arrow, and that's what this is like the explosion TM. I assume the Golem's Great Magic Arrow was meant to have this. Wait, no. No shot. No shot. Was it actually meant to have that the whole time? Yeah, I'm kind of surprised. Golem's Great Arrow and Golem's Magic Arrow. Thank you for booping my snoot. Yeah, so I'm having a look at like the Golem's Magic Arrow basically, because I'm curious as to how it works. This is 205,100. Compare to 300. Okay. It does feel like it was probably meant to have this, it just wasn't used. Because it does seem to have a... I'm not sure, I might be stupid. Give me a second. Yeah, I think this is just the enemy version of it, which is huge. I'm not certain, give me a second. I'm gonna just do this, like the hit effect. I'm gonna make it the same as the Golem's Great Arrow. Just because I'm curious. Reload. So if I fire this... Yeah, see how like there's now an explosion? All I've done is change one thing. I've made it match up with the Great Arrow. Let me try and find a goober, like an enemy goober, and obliterate them. Oh yeah, I never spoke to melatonin. Not really, but I'm gonna get up now. See you later, nerd. Yeah, they were meant to. It's just like... Or it seems like they were meant to. I'm not actually certain. Like, I could be very wrong here. Yeah, see, now it actually explodes. Which is cool. Like, that actually makes sense. And all I did was change one thing. But I need to make sure that this isn't, like, the wrong damage type, basically. But see, I probably need to make a new one out of this. Because it currently is just physical damage, yeah. Wait, no, it's not physical damage. What the fuck? Hold up. Bonk. Jump to this. Back correction. Physical. Magical. There you go. Wait, no shot. Nuh-uh. Okay, we're doing some more testing. So we're gonna piss a guy off real quick. You there. Hunter! That was 130. Good to know. You wait there, sir. Actually, I'll just do this. It's fine. All right. I have fixed it. I have fixed it, and I didn't even have to add anything to the game. Hey, yo! We have fixed the golem magic arrow. We have done it, chat. I didn't even have to add any code. I just had to simply change one value. What the fuck? Yippee! We fixed it. Why? Why wasn't it working to begin with? This is dumb. This is stupid. So, obviously, Rain of Arrows probably won't have the. Yeah, that doesn't look like it had the explosions, but we're gonna check. Yeah, see, that didn't have all the explosions, but it can. Bruh. Okay, give me a second. So, we're gonna have a look at the other ones now, because I think that's interesting. That we have basically restored some shit. So we're gonna do Rain of Arrows next. So we're doing science today. Yeah, we're doing science. Holy shit. Okay. Middle. Doesn't do anything. 2. Okay. 1. I wonder if this is what it is. There's no way that's just it, but we're gonna have a look. Yeah, this one's missing the hit bullet. Bonk. So now we're gonna test it again. That didn't look like there was any explosions. We're gonna compare the two. Yeah, see how there was like a heap of explosions? See how this one didn't have the explosions? So we need to figure out what we're doing wrong here. Oh, this one doesn't have it either. Hold up, give me a second. Nuh-uh, no shot. Let's have a look. Oh no! Oh no! We fixed it! Oh no! I am going mad with power! Oh no! I'm fucking doing too much to the game. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! What have we done? I think I may have done a funny. Hey, got any tips? On what? Elaborate, sir. Madam. Person. Any tips? On what? Streaming. No, not really. Like, all my advice seems to fucking not matter to some people. But if you want, I could give some advice, I guess. So like, I just kind of make a comfortable environment for myself. Oh, okay, that's fair then. Like, all I can say is, I guess, like, stream what you enjoy doing. Don't play shit because someone told you to, especially if you don't feel like playing it. Don't feel like you need to play the thing because it's trendy either. And, you know, make the environment comfortable for yourself because you'll end up having more fun, which means everyone else will have more fun too. Especially in most cases. That's what I've usually done. So that's about it. Like, I do that too. I do challenge runs and shit, but like, still make the environment comfortable and fun. You should never like allow yourself to just be in agony at all times, because that's just not very fun at all. Like, even right now, I'm just modding Elden Ring and listening to Vaporwave. What's up with laptop in a bed? I mean, like, I mean the actual vibe of the stream. So, like, for example, I love Vaporwave. I love this background I've got going on. I like my setup, it's very simple. Stuff like that. Actually, it's visibly simple. Configuration-wise, it's a fucking mess, but I enjoy this layout that I've got going on. I enjoy the vibe I kind of give when I'm streaming. I don't try to pretend to be something I'm not. Like, for example, I am a horny goober. I make inappropriate jokes. That's my whole thing. Will I do that? Yes. Do I want Blythe to fuck me? Yes, I do. And I will continuously iterate that fact. And the fact that I want any sizable wolf character to really just have their way with me. And I just don't care if people know that, because I'm a horny nerd. That's all there really is to it. But I just be myself on stream. And if people don't like it, then I'm just not their target streamer. I'm just not the streamer they're looking for. But that's kind of my focus for streaming, is I just try to have fun the way I can. I will never change my content because of that. I hate that I know that joke, Artie, but hello, welcome to the stream. If you're having a lovely day. We are modding Elden Ring, and we're restoring a bunch of things that should be the way they are, but they aren't. If that doesn't make any sense, welcome to my life, where things don't make sense. Oh, they definitely heard. But yeah, no. We've restored the explosion on these arrows. So now they actually have an explosion, which is cool. We've restored in its entirety the freezing drawstring freezing pod, or rope freezing pod. So that's fun. So we're just restoring cut content and having fun today, basically. But I hope you're having a wonderful day regardless. I still love that. Did you know that cheeseburger is burger with cheese? Cheese make it's cheeseburger, but because no cheese, then not cheeseburger. I know that meme. It's the fucking various cats taking bites out of burgers and shit. Makes me want a cheeseburger now. I want cheeseburger. God damn it. Why'd you have to make me hungry? Ooh, Arcane Moonlight. Look at this. Look at this goober. I don't know who this is, but hello. I know they're lurking. I see you. I see you lurking. Anyway, but yeah. That's just what we're doing today. We are figuring out cut content and making it do its thing. We're currently doing the rest of the Magic Arrow, like, Ash of Wars. Golden Great Arrow. This one. So that's hit bullet ID. This. Go here. Also has a hit bullet ID. Oh no. No, this requires thinking. 83, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6. So 4 does not have one. So we put that here. Basically, we're just turning one thing into the other because I think it's fun. Seven, 8, 9, 8, 9. Oh, you don't have one, which means you need this. That's what that means. Reload current RAM. Gold magic arrow. Bullet. Bullet. I think I've basically done these for now. Reload current RAM, and we're gonna save this too. But yeah, there we go. We've done that now. So yeah, we've restored the explosion that belongs to the... Oh my god, my frame rate. I think this actually makes my... Let me quickly check. My frame rate goes down by 2 when I do that. The bitrate destroyer. It probably does fuck the bitrate too. Okay, I can't wait to go back to like, the YouTube VOD later and just see the bitrate go to shit. Just the bitrate destroyer. Bonk. Yeah, there we go. Look at that. Isn't that fucking cool? So now we have a functional explosion on the... You don't want this smoke, sir. You don't. You don't want this smoke. But yeah, so now we have a functional explosion, which I'm very happy about. This brings me joy. We are slowly making Elden Ring great again. I missed. I'm not sure if the explosions are correct, like, trajectory-wise. So it's hard to tell. Kind of. Not really, but kind of. We'll take those. But yeah, no, this is cool. Let's just re-equip the thing I was already using now. Bubble tier. Was it bubble tier? Yes, it was. So now we have the int build bar, which is just disgusting. Oh my god. Wait, would this do better on Radans? I'm not sure, because like, I don't fuck with like a lot of the great bows very often, because they're just not my thing. I just never found myself using great bows, but I did want to get the Golem's great bow, the magic Golem great bow, because I want to make a variant of the Golem great bow that is, well, is magic. Cool, but it doesn't exist. Like, it's not a real thing. There's just the Golem great bow and that's it. But I don't think anything really uses int. There is not a singular great bow that uses int. Ew, there's not a single great bow. Except for mine. Mine's the only one that uses int, and it's only a tiny bit. You only have to be marginally not stupid to use it. We need to figure out how to make this thing with like a magic version. Sorry, I'm yawning. Just kind of... Ow. But yeah. Kind of just a bit EB. Just a touch. I had a salad today. Bows don't need to be smeared. Well, hun, yes they do. That's why Layka's glare is a smart bow. Also, I got this drink today. I got like this mogu like lychee drink thing. It's really nice. And the reason I got it is because I had it once before and high-key kind of fucked with it. So I was like, I'm gonna give it another go. And I like it, yeah. Was I did the unthinkable and had a salad today. I nearly died. I only died today because I ate a salad. Isn't that wild? I bet the storming bone arrows look so good on a fucking great bow. Holy shit. Aimsty. It was a Caesar salad, actually. It had like croutons and little like meat bits in it. It was really good. Like, I actually quite enjoyed it, personally. Yeah, no, I had a salad and actually liked it, which is a shock. Usually I hate salad, but it's like, I was like, oh yeah, I'll try and eat something at least a little healthier than usual instead of like my usual bullshit. Don't worry, I unevened it out by getting myself Pocky. I have milk flavored Pocky and strawberry Pocky. And together, the pink, the blue, and the white on the packaging makes a trans flag, which is cute. So I have like trans flag themed Pocky sticks right now. And also I have White Monster for later. I'm not sure how long I want to stream for, but I do want to stream for a decent bit. Because I'm actually having fun. Like, believe it or not, I'm having fun with Elden Ring again. Holy shit. Well, hun, if you want, you can write down like an idea for salad and I'll try and make it for myself if you want. Like, be sure to send me a message and like tell me like what stuff to get, and I'll make your girlfriend a salad. Also, strips does not have an E. That's stripes. Chicken stripes. I'm making fun of my boyfriend's spelling. Get made fun of, nerd. He knows I love him. Hopefully. Aw. Chicken stripes. Let me unequip this, and I'll equip my carrion armaments too. Because I fucking love the carrion armaments mod I made. Like, I'm not shitting you. I feel like when Whitwo, Wendigo, and I get together and make a mod, it really comes out as like just the most fucking preem shit. Like, we really do just cook up some insane stuff. Bruh, macaroni with the chicken strips? I fucking love macaroni with chicken strips. It's actually tasty. Same. Have you seen the one with like Wagner? The little one with like the Wagner goober? It's so cute. He just looks so stoked to have macaroni with the chicken strips. But you know, I think high key we're gonna be doing a full fucking int run, but without magic. We might use magic, I'm not sure. But yeah, if you can find it again, chuck it into the meme section on the server. Also, I need to quickly check. Did anyone else react to get the chat? Like, I made a roll. It's like chat is like the roll. And it's funny. Yes, another person has in fact reacted for the chat roll. Give me a second, I need to give them that. It's Gorwick! Aw. W Gorwick. Also, I want to bring this up. So, I have a friend from work. Her name is Jen. I have her permission to mention her by name. Because you're not gonna fucking find her. There's a bunch of people named Jen. But today, I got an energy drink. I got two of them actually. But I only have one. Because Jen mistook my energy drink for hers and fucking stole my trans girl juice before she went off shit. So this motherfucker stole my shit basically. So yeah, shout out to Jen for stealing my fucking trans girl juice. It was really funny. Like, I'm not even angry, it's actually funny as hell. She was like, oh, I'll get you another one. It's like, it's fine, I don't mind either way. She was really nice about it, but yeah. An honest misunderstanding that made the funniest thing happen today. Fucker actually stole my trans girl juice. Can't have shit. I was gonna say my city, but I'm like, I don't want to dox myself, so I'm not gonna. If I say my city, someone's gonna try and fucking kill me, probably. Or someone's gonna try and fuck me. One of the two, and both are not okay at the moment. Hey, it's Alexander. Hello, Alexander. How many games on your phone? You want some back shots, Alexander? Alright, sure. I'll help you out with the frost pod. Got it. Vielen Dank. I feel like my German pronunciation is kind of rough still. Yet, I feel like I've gotten good enough at saying things that even with my kind of fucked up pronunciation, it just sounds like a foreigner speaking German. And I'm not, you know what? I'm good. That's good enough for me. Knowing that I can sound foreign in a country I'm foreign to is good enough for me. Only my partner can really comment on my German pronunciation though. And I think he's busy. Doing very good. Really? Thank you. Dankeschön. But yeah. Did I already fight this guy? Oh, I didn't. Cool. Hello, Henricus. Let me add that Henricussy. Up. Come here, boy. Come here, puppy. Get fucked. Rip to a real one. I'm gonna turn off the hitboxes because I don't really need them anymore. I was using them for testing like the bow. But now we got it working. We're gonna be actually making use of the Oni Slayer this run. Because I have in base arrows. I have hiccups. I drank my drink too quickly. Loof is dying! Quick, someone put me down. Put me out of my misery. Take me behind the woodshed and just... Send me to the farm upstate. No. Aw. My partner objects to me being sent to the farm upstate. Understandably, of course. Yeah, no, I'm having fun with Elden Ring at least. I object to. Aw. Look at that, what a shock. People don't want me dead. What a surprise. Do you think he knows I'm here? Do you think I'll be able to frostpot him? Oh my god. This build might be strong. Who's to say, though? Do it. I frostpotted him. He's been frostbitten. Did I already kill D? I'm not sure if I did or not. It's hard to tell. D, did you die? Did you... D for dead. I'm not sure. Twin gauntlets. I assume it's a yes. Look cool. Wait, did I kill Kenneth Hyde? I need to go kill Kenneth Hyde. My partner likes the guy for some reason, and I want to kill him because it's my playthrough. And my partner can't tell me what to do. Oh, Kenneth Hyde. He is not a goober, he's an asshole. There's a difference. It's a very thin line. His motherfucker walks a thin line, and he's pissed me off for the last time. Where is he? Did I already kill him? It's hard to tell. Where is he? He's trying? Yeah, he's trying to piss me off. That's what he's trying. Oh yeah, I already killed him. Never mind, we eyed. Rip to a real one. I already killed him, never mind. He died. Aw, don't be sad. I don't like him. You need to understand that I hate the guy. See, I'm allowed to kill Kenneth Hyde, but you're not allowed to kill Patches. That's how this works. Is this like backwards logic? Yes, it is. And will I cease my behavior? No, I won't. Bonk. Also, I made determination infinite. I'm not sure how I did it, but I managed to make determination infinite, and it's very funny. I'll show you. So, determination and RKR are now infinite, which makes them way stronger than they actually should be. If I put RKR on the carry and slicer real quick, you'll see what I mean. Alright, yeah, I can't pause the game. Give me a second. I'm gonna disable seamless co-op. Fuck out of here. There we go. There we go. Now we have RKR on my Zweihander. You have RKR on it and Bloodhound step at the same time. And RKR makes this thing really fucking strong for some reason. Case in point. Why did I do this? I don't know. I thought it was funny. I actually plan to change the way RKR and everything looked, because there are phantom parameters these are pulling from. But I wanted to change them to be like a different color, because it would be cool. No other reason. I just think it'd be neat. So we're gonna go do that now, because we can use like my stream POV as a reference. So we're going to go to the SP effect param. Royal Knight's Resolve damage buff. Yeps. Is this the one? Yeah, it does. Okay, cool. SP effect param. Proliferate name. Reference row. Perfect. There we go. Royal Knight's Resolve Silver. Which is SP effect VFX Soul Param. Which I'm not sure what they mean by that. So we're going to try and figure it out. Or we can just fuck around the number and see what we can get out of it. What's 6? Kind of more pale. 5. Nothing. Alright. 8. Not enumerated. 9. Yeah, that's not doing anything either. 10. Oh. Well, it's the piss Zweihander. It has become piss. Get a load of the piss Zweihander, everyone. It's so powerful. Honestly, RKR being like gold instead of silver is such a cool idea though. So if we did Royal Knight's Resolve to be gold, and we did the other one to be silver, that's a cool idea, right? So we can probably leave it like that, because that actually seems kind of neat. SP effect param, and we do determination damage buff, and this one uses Royal Knight Resolve damage as well, but we need to basically. There you go. And hold up. We have to basically make a new one for it. Which I guess we could technically do by like... looking for something largely unused, or if not entirely unused. Actually, we can use the barricade shield VFX. Alright, we got it. So we're gonna go to determination, add the barricade shield VFX. Because that's the not gold one. Reload param. And then we go to Royal Knights Resolved, RKR. We proliferate name. Load count param. Save this shit. Good. So this is RKR, but if we do determination real quick, here's what determination will do instead. So we put this bad boy away, and then we do determination. My sword will be silver instead. Determination is silver, RKR is gold. Thoughts on that idea? I think it kind of works. Like, I feel like it works really well with, like, I guess the theming of the names as well. Like, that we actually are seeing it in action. I think it actually is a little bit better. Yeah, see, there we go, look at that. As Vitahander fucking clad in gold, ready to do way too much damage in one swing. I'll help you out, alright. Oh, you want a headshot? How's this for a headshot? You're welcome. Yes, that was an Amazing World of Gumball reference. I love Amazing World of Gumball. It's like one of my favorite like shows to watch. Oh, you want a headshot? How's this for a headshot? Thank you, Gumball, for that quote. Shout out to Amazing World of Gumball. Well, of course, it's in the name, Ayla. But yeah, no, I really want to watch it on YouTube, but I don't own it on YouTube. And I really want my friends to like buy me it because I can't afford it. Oh yeah, fucking Richard Watterson. I love Nicole. She is such a vibe. I want like Nicole's casual clothes on Layka. Because I feel like I'm talking the ones from like when she's a young adult, like that very exhausted, like fucking 90s mum clothing. I need that for Layka so bad. Someone draw Layka in Nicole's outfit. I need it. I feel like Layka would make a Nicole-esque parent. You know what I mean? Like I feel like my Sona could easily be that. That just horrifying mother figure that gives so much of a fuck. She's actually kind of scary. Well, so we're gonna go fight Margit now. We're gonna go kick the fuck out of him. We're gonna hit him with the funny, and we're gonna see how much we can obliterate this boy. We're gonna rip his pussy to pieces. Feels like my game's lagging just a little bit, but that makes sense. I am like running Elden Ring on the max settings. Oh yeah, no, this is running on max settings, by the way. It's a little fun fact to say. I got my settings. I'm always running it on max. I think I actually turned it down from max because it was getting too much. But I could probably turn it down more and it would fix the performance, but I don't want to. Oh, my game looked pretty, damn it. I broke his poise. I broke his fucking poise. Honk. I just flattened him. Do you see that? Oh, damn. I kind of want to make it so the Zweihander guard counterattack creates like the pancaked effect, which makes someone land on their face. Oh, yeah, also I can demonstrate the dismissing an ally thing now. Give me a second. Give me a second. Where's my grass horse whistle? It's not letting me use the torrent whistle. Okay, so we're going to demonstrate this using an item that I made because the actual item is not behaving itself. You need to get a second to grab my horse whistle that I made. There it is. I'm gonna give myself an item. There we go. Like his horse grass whistle. So when we're on Torrent, or Epona, depending on what version of the game you're playing, and you go into here, we actually have an animation for dismissing someone from our game on horseback, which means they were probably meant to allow you to use your horse at some point in time, but probably canned it. I'm not really sure though. It's not definitive proof, but it is something. That actually looks fucking cool. Holy shit. I'm aura farming, chat. I might get that as a screenshot, actually. Okay, we got it as a screenshot. I'll post it to my server. Actually, I'll do it right now real quick. Give me a second. It looks good as fuck, unironically, so... We're aura farming, chat. That's just how it is. Alright. plus 10 aura per second. Wait, you probably get one with me walking forward. Give me a second. Oh, so you're approaching me. Foul tarnished. Hey, how's it going? Get frostbitten, nerd. Thou art of passing skill. Bonk. Get fucked, Margaret. Get out of my game. Oh, he's not dead yet. Look at his health. He has 3 health. Look at it. Should we let the frostbite run out and kill him with frostbite? Should we kill him with the frostbite proc? Yes. Alright. Ow. Get fucked. Get out of my game. L ratio plus you're gay. That'll teach him. Oh, that's right, I have my partner's emote as well. The ultimate attack. Hello, I've just gotten home. Hey, Nomad. We just completely fucked up Margit after restoring a couple cut concept items. Yeah, one of the cut items is this. It's absolutely fucking vile, but I love it. It's basically the frost pot that I use, but you throw it behind you way quicker, and it's really bullshit, and I love it. And the other cut item is not really an item, but more of an attachment for an item, which is the explosion effect that comes from... Remember I was telling you about how the magic golem great arrows don't have an explosion despite there being a visible explosion? I restored the explosion, and now they're actually cool. I... Kill him. Kill him. No, I'll use the main gate. Should I kill him, Chad? Should I commit the murder against this fucking goober? He betrays you. He is a betrayer. He is evil. Should we kill him? Chad, is this crash out justified? I say as I fucking poise break him. Can someone please clip me saying, chat, is this crash out justified? As I poise break the guy? That'll be funny. I need that as a clip. That's actually fucking funny. Just the fucking push. Evil burbs. Evil burbs. I don't like the evil burbs. They're too evil for me. Let me just fucking let's deal with that real quick. Rip to a real one. Why is that a lot of the burbs I've met have been not great? I want to meet friendly burbs. Goobar. Onk. Rip. Got that RKR back on. Those gates. But yeah, no. So, originally, Nomad, there was never explosions for the arrows, but now there is. Even though there is a visible explosion, it's a fucking lie, so I fixed it. Ow. Also, I want to find out a way to replace the audio so I can replace the crit sound in this game with the TF2 crit noise. Thank you. I need to look at that clip in a second. Maybe I'm gonna quickly yoink the clip and have a look at it, because that's I hope it's perfect. I need to see it. I'll turn it into a short if it's good enough, because I like making shorts out of clips because it's always fun. I've been doing that recently. I will have to probably trim it a bit more, because yeah, I just want it to end as I poise break the guy, but I still want to keep in me throwing frost pots at him until he gets angry, because that's funny. But yeah, it's great. Oh my god, sir, don't do that. This chat is just crash out justified. Open says me. You're able to be frostbitten, aren't you? Yes, you are. Oh, yes, you are. Get fucked. Rusty key. It says me. Okay, how did I survive that? I thought I was dead. I was like, oh, I guess I'm fucked now. But it's like, no, I survived somehow. It's stupid. I love the drawstring rope frost pot. It's so fucking funny. I need to make this craftable, right? Like, we have to add it to the crafting recipe list. Because I think that's a cool idea. Like, I'll fucking do it. I could probably do it right now. Ah, he fucking stabbed me. What an asshole. I thought I was gonna get with the frost pot. Oh, he died. Okay. Didn't expect that. So we're gonna try and add the rope freezing pot to the crafting list now. Item crafting. Let's have a look. Freezing pot. We need to find out where this is in the crafting table, and then we're going to add it as a create a duplicate of it first. Rimed crystal. So what is... We're going to do fire pot as a reference to have a look. Fire pot is mushroom and smoldering butterfly, and then it's just the same thing, but it requires a rope. So it's just this, but it requires a rope. No, that's pretty fucking easy. We can do that. I plan to make a bunch of different roped pots because I think it's interesting. There's a bunch of pots that aren't roped, and I'm like, I think it would be cool if they were. Yeah, so we're gonna do this one in a second. This back up. Where is the crafting? Shop lamp param recipe. There it is. I look for freezing pot. Yeah, freezing pot, Glintstone Craftsman's Cookbook 6. Okay, so let's look for the word pot. It'll be easier so I can figure out the stuff for these. So, roped volcano pot. I'll do roped fire pot. Requires... Oh, I need to make a whole new required material. Oh, no. Oh, that sucks. So we can't do this straight away. I need to restart my game, basically. But there is probably a way of doing this. Let's find the shop lineup RAM recipe because I'm actually going to use that too. Shop lineup RAM. There it is. I'll pin that too. I'm going to use both of those now. So I go to the freezing pot again. Requires rind crystal bud ×2. You have a look at this one. I was having a look. Yeah, I had to make a whole new thing. Let's say I just do them. Make this a 5. String. Oh, rope. What's it fucking called? It is called string. Chop line of param. Roped. Roped. Roped fire pod. String. Okie dokie. I hope you sleep well and have a lovely dream. And also thank you. The stream might go on for a bit longer, but I'm not sure how long it will go on for. Because I'm probably going to vibe off stream for a bit afterwards. Good night. Yeah, so I'd have to make a whole new thing for this one in particular, which is kind of sad, but... Which means you can't entirely do it. Now if we go to the chop line of param recipe, go to the freezing pot. Roped freezing pot. And that should literally be it. Obviously, I can't craft this right now, but if I relocate param and I save this, it'll probably have no crafting requirement. Let's go have a look. I'm not seeing it in here. Wait, no, I had to make a whole new entry. Which means this won't apply until I restart the game. That's literally all that is. So I'll do it later. They'll take some screenshots. But we're going to make a crafter. We're also going to do that to the drawstring freezing grease. Hey, look, it's the start of the game. Anyway. Hey there. Hey there, sir. Come on over. Yeah, that's just bullying. That was just bullying. But yeah, currently this setup feels a little diabolical, which is nice. But at the same time, I feel like applying buffs like RKR to a fucking weapon that has an affinity is already a bit much. Bonk. I feel like applying frost to those guys is overkill, considering I'm killing them in one hit anyway. Hey, how's it going? I'm curious about Godric the Stinky. That's who I'm like curious the most about when it comes to fighting them with the freezing pots. Because it might be funny. Alright, time to go fight Mr. Stinky Man. I think it'll be funny. Do I have my smoke flask? My unused item smoke flask thing that I invented? I don't think I do. Oh. I guess I gotta give myself the smoke flask. I think it's cool. There we go. Another really neat item that I just casually cooked up. Hell yeah. Bonk. Oh, that's fucked up. That is fucked up. That was just bullying. That one there is just fucking mean. That'll teach him. Is that an idea? I'm gonna make a GIF. Just, you know, like those like things that the person like kind of appears and it's just like hello chat. I'm gonna make that. Yeah, we're gonna make this into a meme because I want to. Yeah, that's basically it. Yeah, so we're gonna do this. I'm gonna record it because I think it'll be funny. I don't like that I fall a bit at the end because of the different elevation. Like, it's just enough to make me kind of fall weirdly. So I'm gonna move this back a bit. Like here. Oh, there's no good place for this. This is fucking stupid. I hate there's no good location for this to, like, make the meme work. It's fucked up. Empty recycle bin. Yes, I do want to delete all these. It's a lot of files, but do it. It's like 6 gigabytes, holy shit. I guess I could do it right here. Actually, that works really well. Give me a second. If I do right to here. There we go. I've done it. I've made a meme. I'm gonna do that later. So I think that's funny. Actually, wait, no. I have Clipchamp installed. There you go. We're gonna make a meme. Create a new video. Create a video with AI. Fuck off, Clipchamp. The fuck is racing down my street again. Oh yeah, I forgot to turn off the filters, so I have to remake that immediately anyway. Give me a second. I had a bunch of filters on my game to make it look cooler. Oh damn it. Give me a second. Cool. So let's do that. There we go. We've made a new one. We're going to delete this now. Yup, remove it. Here's a better one, because there's no filter over it. There we go. We're making a meme. Give me a second. Let's watch me make the meme. I'm fucking... It's not my fault, man. Yes. Oh. to make this bigger, I guess. There we go. Let's restart it. Hello, chat. We've done it. We're making a meme. I don't know why I'm like this, man. I just have fun with, like, stupid bullshit. Oh. I just want to add text, man. I don't know how to use clipchamp. Text. I just want text. It's a text box. Plain text. Give me. For the same duration. Actually, where's impact? we're just like editing a video now. I got bored and decided to do this. How do I make like a box? Help. Transitions? No. Oh, okie dokie. Enjoy the foods. Wait, text box. Hold up. This is actually a box of text. Give me a second. No shot. Oh my god, it is. It is perfect. I like that. That's funny. Prop. Hello, chat. Maybe back a bit. This is stupid. I love that. That's actually fucking funny. This hello chat. know why it's not letting me crop. This is stupid. Wait, I can speed it up? Wait, hold up. I love it. That's great. That works so well for like a fucking stupid meme. We've done it. Untitled video. GIF. Yes. Yes. We've done it. Wait, no, hold up. Cancel. We need to get back. Keep editing. So, hold up. Not sure why. Timeline. Real quick, make sure this is working. Why is it making a black frame at the end of this? This is fucking stupid. Why are you doing this to me? This is dumb. Yeah, how do I fix that? I'll look it up real quick. Flip champ black frame at the end of video. Okay, let's ask GPT then. Fuck it. I hate this fucking garbagey search engine. GPT, the champ. For some reason, my GIF has a black frame at the end. Okay, this is bothering me, but GPT is also no help. Let's export it as a video. Okay, no. Even then, it was for some reason turned into like it has a black frame at the end for some reason. Not really sure why. Read the TV. Yeah, no. Yeah, it's like a chunk of it at the end is a black frame. That's fucking dumb as hell. Give me a second. Let's try that export as a GIF. Okay, I fixed it. There we go. We got it. Now we have a hello chat GIF. I'm actually going to upload that to one of those like GIF services so I can use it because it's actually fucking funny. Give me a second. There's the one I usually use. that keeps telling me that, like, yeah, Tenor. Because I like Tenor. Tenor's cool. Tenor. Add GIF to Tenor. Move it here first, and then move it to Tenor. Elden Ring. There we go. We have created a meme. Hello, chat. Perfecto. I have to sign it as me. Allow. Motherfucker, I swear. There we go. I've uploaded the hello chat gif. We have done it. Sorry, I'm making a meme. Because I got bored and realized it's good meme material that what I was doing in my game. Sorry, it worked. Alright, let's go back to the game while my gif gets approved. I'm gonna use it, because that's fucking funny. It's gonna be like my greeting gif and it's hello chat. It's like fucking spawn in. I think my favorite GIF that is actually doing fucking numbers right now is like Deltarune one I made. I made a Deltarune GIF. It's the Deltarune Butler. I feel like it's gonna get like a lot of usage because Deltarune. I was like, why did my fucking phone go off? Ah, I see. Bonk. Alright, bud's missing. I fixed it. Yeah, near the lakes. I love this fucking place. I died. Fuck. I was refreshing my webpage and it killed me. I forgot that there's the same button. God damn it. Okay, we're just gonna... There we go. My body is ready. So I learned why people block. So see how like when I'm sprinting, I get kind of caught in this like turning animation. You don't get that when you're like blocking. And this turning animation has gotten me killed countless times where I've like turned and then died. So I guess I might start blocking when I sprint because this actually is really fucking OP. Oh, it's foggy as all hell now. Oh, all this because I died once? That's stupid. Jimmy stuck in well. Sorry. Yeah, here's some money for your trouble. Thank you, sir. Do I have something to cast magic with? Give me a second. I was gonna ditch the carrion slicer and use a magic thing anyway. Staff of Dust, anyone? Plus 24, jeez. Oh, damn. Sorcery scaling. All of it's kind of dog shit because I don't have the stats to wield most of these things. Let's put RKR in this so I can still use the RKR thing. There we go. And memorize spells. I need to pick some spells out to use. Swift, Glintstone Pebble. Wow, that's actually annoying looking. This looks frustrating. It looks like it would piss someone off. Bruh. Ow. I'm just gonna walk away. Hopefully I don't die. I'm trying to like fuck around with my magic spells and see what I can use. What do I want? I guess I could get this thing. Man, if I made that faster, that'd be evil. Case in point, I can do it now just to prove a point. What was it called again? Bullet. Shard. Spiral. Charged. Duration. Continuation range. Initial velocity. Let's double it just to see what it does. That is evil. That is fucking vile. So, this one's slow. This one's fast. Oh my god. What have I created? Oh no. I created something completely fucking disgusting. I'm not gonna let that happen. I'm not gonna allow that. Let's see how spammable this is. I'm curious. Anyone else? Any takers? Any skeletons want to rise up for glorious battle? Oh no. You can spam it. Oh no. That is disgusting. That is gross. Funny, but gross. Wait a minute. Oh, I do this. That's evil. Alright. If you say so, game. That's cool. I actually like this spell. But I have a theory. Like, on the spell itself. So if I, like... Give me a second. If I go to the magic section. Rani's Dark Moon. We have a look at how this thing animates. Oh no. You gotta spam this is just fucking disgusting. And also, it leaves an effect there for some reason. I'm gonna use this, because this can be actually used with my Zweihander. And that's what makes it cool. That's if the enemy even fucking survives the initial attack, though. I fear that the Dark Moon might be too strong. Yeah, no, he's just dead. It's because of proc and frostbite. That might be the actual reason, which is kind of funny. Bonk. Oh. Bonk. I actually am curious as well about something. I'm gonna pin this just because I think it's interesting. We're going to do one of the like dragon sorceries because I'm incantations because I'm curious about the incantation itself. They can be used if you jump. Like you can jump first then cast it. So I was curious if there was like something in the game's code that lets you do that. Like Borealis missed. Dragon Breath emit forward. Dragon Ice. That's a Dragon Breath. Rotten Breath is 6 decay. Yeah, so these let you use it in the air. That's the thing. Air. And also in this too. I'll compare it to Rani's Dark Moon. I was seeing if there was like maybe something different about it. Here's the animation. Yes, it is. It is the animation. If you jump, you can do that. If you do it with this one, nothing works for that. That is funny. looks scary. Imagine this motherfucker walking at you. I'm curious what spells can actually be charged. Because some spells can and can't be charged. If I pick a like great heal, boards, a tree, blessing boon, or poison. But some of these don't really have like a unique charge, it seems. Huh. Also, does it mean I could also make my own sorcery? I'm all magic. I know I tried to make one at some point, and it was kind of shit. It was called Layka's Destined Death. Which I don't think has been used in a while. Give me a second. So, give me a second to give myself that magic. Good's name, yeah. It's not even finished. There it is. Oh, I need incant seal real quick. Yeah, so I made it chargeable, but it's very stupid and overpowered, so I decided to ditch it. That is like the primary reason why it's not used anymore. But hey, it was something cool that I was working on at some point in time. Oh, Golek's playing Elden Ring. So, are any of these spells actually usable? No. The answer is a resounding no. Yeah, none of these are usable. It's kind of lame. Yeah, I found like a bunch of like icons, and I was like, hey, I'll have a look. Oh, actually, let's check if my GIF has been approved. Still taking ages because they decided against it. Lame. Anyway, I might wrap up the stream just so like we don't end the stream on like a bunch of ads. So we're gonna wrap it up now. Thanks everyone for watching and hanging out. Sorry I couldn't stream for longer, and sorry for the stream having a kind of bunch of delays at the beginning. It is how it is. But yeah, I'm gonna click on the magical button to disappear now. Thanks again for watching. I'll probably be live tomorrow.